Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. The PTC heater fuses, where you can expect to find them, guys, we will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Ram right here. What you need to do, go ahead, open the hood, and here under the hood, guys, once you open it, okay, so let me show you now. Okay, 1 second. Here on the driver's side, okay, some models will not, but if you have a PTC heater, you're going to have a special fuse box, and that fuse box, guys, will be behind the car battery right there. The main engine fuse box is on the front, but that's the one that you need. Okay, we need to go ahead, open that cover, and once you do that, you'll find a fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse pulled, and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it, so always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good, you end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. For the PTC heater, 3 fuses will need to be checked. By the way, guys, please make sure you stay until the end. We want to give you one quick advice, that way you don't end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. So the 3 fuses for the PTC heater that you need to check, it's that 50 amp fuse, that one here, the second one, and this is the third PTC heater fuse that you will need to check as well. So guys, you have all kinds of different fuses and relays. Some of those are very specific, they're hard to find, especially if you're in a small town or in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't find one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere for a few days until we got a shipment on the internet, guys. So keep some spares in your glove box for a peace of mind. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.